Hey guys, today we're making this delicious Almond Roca recipe. It's super delicious and amazing. It's easy to make and just super delicious. As always, the full recipe will be in the description box below, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Also, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a giant thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more. I post new videos every Sunday. Okay, so we're going to start off in a large pot. And to that you're going to add in your butter, your sugar, your water, and lastly the glucose syrup. Once it's all in your pot, then you're going to take this over to your stove and heat this on medium to low heat until the butter melts fully. Keep stirring this to ensure that nothing burns. It should slowly but surely start melting, like this. And make sure you keep stirring this. Once the butter is fully melted, then it should start slowly simmering, and ensure that you keep mixing this. Now keep the heat on low to medium so that nothing burns. And the color should start coming in, and we want a nice deep golden brown color. So keep mixing it until you reach the desired color. It should start thickening a bit and start boiling vigorously, like this. And make sure you keep stirring. Don't leave it or else it will burn at the bottom. Once it's almost at the right color, then we're going to add in the almonds. The color is right now, so I've added in the almonds and then just mix this really well. And it should become a consistency like this. And just keep whisking it until it's all well combined. Once that's done, then you can take it off the stove and then pour it in a thin layer on a baking tray with a piece of baking paper over the top. And then just break it into pieces and then store it in an airtight container. And that's it. That's how easy it is to make this delicious almond roca. And of course you can use a mold, but just know that it does harden quite quickly, so you may not be able to finish. So pouring it over a baking sheet is much easier, but it's super delicious either way. Thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a giant thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I post new videos every Sunday. I'll see you in my next video.